We're walking now to the church, which is beautiful, and the sun is still out, but it's going to go down and then we're going to freeze. So I've changed from my traditional German outfit back into my long pants in preparation for the cold. But yeah, we're looking forward to the bonfire and our bra evening. Feels like I've eaten enough, but not just quite enough, because I'm really looking forward to my bra. So we're at the German Bazaar, and this is what happens when one of the tantes says that you must wear a traditional German outfit. You see my outfit? Isn't it looking magical? Have a look around. This place is so festive, and yeah, we're really going to have a great time. Yes, it's quite cold, so going to take my beanie and possibly 16 more layers of clothes. Eating a pretzel. Das ist gut, yeah, das ist gut. The sun is going down, so we're getting ready to have a big bonfire and a brine. We're very excited. I've overeaten. I've had a pretzel. I've had Kartoffelpuffer, which was delicious and has changed my life. And yeah, we're really enjoying ourselves.